Uh, there is going to be another official turnover.
When is this?
This one is just to answer for a very emergency situation. For the new chief minister to really to officially take assume the authority. But there is an official turnover wherein the former chief minister would most likely attend, and that will be after the meeting in Malacanang, because there is going to be another taking in Malacanang, because I think around 10 or maybe more than 10 were not able to attend for various reasons. In that taking in Manila, which was officiated by the new chief minister of the bank.
You were not there.
There will be another official. This one is assumption. Although maybe it can be sometimes contradictory in meanings, but that's how it is being framed. That this is more symbolic assumption, and there won't be formal turnover. And I'm so sure that the outgoing chief minister would attend, because there would be official turnover of functions. And another reason for this is because it's abrupt. It's abrupt. It was only, I think it was only decided 1 or 2 days ago. So I understand that the outgoing chief minister is not around.